Hey guys, it's Corey. So today we're going to do a quick little install of some H.I.D headlights into the Soarer. Currently I have the LED light bulbs inside the car, but they're not quite bright enough at night for my liking. I'm going to go ahead and switch them out. Sorry about the wind, it's the best I can do today. I'm leaving for Nikko, Japan tomorrow. I want to make sure I have headlights that I can see at nighttime. So without further ado, let's get to it. Wouldn't be one of my install videos without issues. It won't stay open. Alright, so first you want to go ahead and take out the old LED lights. These aren't super old, put them in like 2 months ago. So once you get your H.I.D bulb inside the socket, you want to go ahead and connect your ballast right here to it. So it's pretty self-explanatory. There's only going to be one way it goes in. You're going to connect this piece to this piece, this, and then your final piece that you're going to connect is going to be these two. Once you get that done, you want to go ahead and check to make sure your headlights work. So we're going to do that now. And as you know, H.I.D lights do take a little while to warm up, and then once they warm up, then they'll be at their full potential. Once you get that done, then you repeat the same cycle for the other side, and I'll show you the finished product once I'm done. They do give you a set of O-rings. They give you a set of skinny ones for my setup, and they give you a set of fat ones in case your hole is a little bit wider. So I'm going to need the skinny ones, otherwise the ridges won't fit. Once again, once you're done, you connect these two pieces up to the ballast, you hide your ballast, and you're good to go. Make sure your lights work. And so that's going to do it for this quick install on the Soarer. So I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns. Once you're done with installing it and everything like that, go ahead and clean up your mess, and I'll throw some footage in now of them at night. I'm hoping that I'll be able to see better than it was with the LEDs. Alright, so have a good one guys. I'll see you next time.